Stephanie here with Oh You're Lovely, and today's tutorial is another one of those beginner easy steps, and that's how to stem a solo wood flower. This is literally 2 steps. That's it. I know it's a little nerve-wracking at first when you're like never done it before, but it's super simple. So let's just jump into that tutorial.
So for this tutorial, I'm actually going to show you 2 different camera angles. So the first thing we're doing is we're just getting our wire. I like to use either an 18 or 20 gauge wire for most of my projects. It really becomes a personal preference. All that you're going to do is you're taking the wire, you're putting it into the base of the flower. I kind of make a pre-hole, and then what I did is I grabbed a little bit of hot glue and re-put it back into the flower. It is as simple as that, but let's change the camera angle so you can see it just a few more times. So this time I'm using a Miss Ivy flower. Again, I put in my wire first to kind of create that hole that I want to then put the hot glue on, put some glue on the end of my wire, put it back in the flower, and that's it. Let's do a couple others. So the next flower we're going to work with is a rosa, and this particular flower does have a little bit more of a tail at the end of the flower, so be aware of that. You can trim those down a little bit if you want, if it's easier. Just make sure not to cut it too short that you actually unravel the flower. So there's another one done. And then the final one, we're going to get this one a little bit up close. This is a ken-ken, and this actually, you can see me putting the wire in first. This one has a little bit of the sola wood bark on it, so it's a little bit harder to get in there, but it's just a little extra muscle. Again, get some glue on there, and then re-put in the stem, and you are set.
See, I told you it was super simple. Now you can go stem all of the solo wood flowers to your heart's content. To check out all of the 60 plus different solo wood flowers we have, go to ohyourlovely.com, where we ship in 1 to 2 business days. This is Stephanie from Oh You're Lovely, and you, my friends, are absolutely lovely. Bye, guys.